Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the Parrot Puzzler. Here we are. It is the 8th of May. I have to check who actually knows the date anymore. How are we doing? Um, hopefully, maybe a few of you might have been listening to ABC radio this morning around 9:30. We have the Parrot Puzzler. He's now on ABC radio as well. It's local radio, Aldeburgh, Blythe Community Radio. Um, yeah, just a few minutes. It's 20 questions, exactly the same as we have here, but on the radio. Um, so I hope you can go along and listen to that. I have also recorded that as well in my kitchen at home, as you do, and that will be on the YouTube channel as well. So it's 20 different questions what we're having now. So every Sunday there's 40 questions. I'm probably going to put the radio video up on like a Wednesday or something, just so you haven't got like all the quizzes on one day. But anyway, if you subscribe, you'll get a notification when the video goes up. That's easy, isn't it? So yeah, so this video is on YouTube. So subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, please, guys. This will be good. I'm hoping this way we can sort of push the Parrot Puzzle a little bit further. And yeah, it's popular. People like it, so thank you. Much to my amazement. Yeah, the last 2 years have been pretty cool. So thank you, guys. And like I say, we're now on the radio too, which is awesome. But we'll crack on with this quiz. 20 questions, standard format, the usual. Question one: which team has won the UEFA Cup the most times? Question two: which singer who passed away in 2011 has a statue of themselves in Camden? I do apologise if you can hear glasses clinging. It's my belly on the bar. There we go. Let's move them. Question three: which football team has the nickname the Toon Army? Question three: which sweet is famously added to Coke to make a huge explosive reaction? Question five: what side of a ship is port side? Question two: George, Zippy, and Bungle could be found on what kids' TV program from the 80s? Question seven: which Saint's Day falls on Boxing Day? Question eight: what is the biggest country in South America? Question nine: in which year was the Queen's coronation? Some tea. Question 10: according to the song, what did Nelly the Elephant pack? Question 11: which artist painted the picture titled The Last Supper? Question 12: what is the currency of Switzerland? Question 13: what is the square root of 484? Question 14: which team does Lewis Hamilton race for in Formula One? Question 15: what name is given to the area of the Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes infamously disappear? Question 16: Dana Scully and Fox Mulder can be found in which cult TV show? Question 17: what was the first item to have a barcode on its packaging? Question 18: which social media platform lets you watch reels? Question 19: in Greek mythology, who has snakes on their head instead of hair? And question 20: which London park is home to London Zoo? That's it. You can always tell I've been away when there's questions about London. So this week, uh, I went to London, uh, to Camden, hence the Camden question. And we didn't go to London Zoo, but we were in the park where London Zoo is. Um, so yeah, that that's my week. We'll go through the answers, see how you done, guys. Question one: which team has won the UEFA Cup the most times? Is Real Madrid, and I mean like twice as many times as any other team. They're pretty good. Question two: which singer who passed away in 2011 has a statue of themselves in Camden? It's Amy Winehouse. Question three: which football team has the nickname the Toon Army? It's Newcastle United. Question four: which sweet is famously added to Coke to make huge explosive reaction? Is Mentos. I'm sure you must be able to use something else as well, but the videos are always with Mentos. So you just drop, I don't know, maybe like six or seven into a bottle of Coke and it just like erupts. Question five: what side of the ship is port side? It's the left hand side of the ship. Question six: George, Zippy, and Bungle could be found on which kids' TV program from the 80s? It's Rainbow. And the theme tune from Rainbow is one of those tunes that just gets stuck in my head and is there all the time, constantly going. Do, 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 do. Now I hope you all have it too. Question seven: which Saints' Day falls on Boxing Day? It's St. Stephen's Day. Question eight: what is the biggest country in South America? It is Brazil. Question nine: in which year was the Queen's coronation? So it was in 1953, her coronation. She actually became Queen in 52. Question 10. According to the song, what did Nelly the Elephant pack? Random question. She packed her trunk. Question 11. Which artist painted the picture titled The Last Supper? It was Leonardo da Vinci. Question 12. What is the currency of Switzerland? It's the Swiss franc. Question 13. What is the square root of 484? It's 22. Question 14. Which team does Lewis Hamilton race for in Formula One? It's Mercedes. He's making the news quite a bit this weekend with his sort of reluctancy to take off jewellery when racing. Question 15. What name is given to the area of the Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes infamously disappear? It's the Bermuda Triangle. Question 16. Dana Scully and Fox Mulder can be found in which cult TV show? It's the X-Files. Question 17. What was the first item to have a barcode on its packaging? It was chewing gum back in 1974. Question 18. Which social media platform lets you watch reels? It's Instagram. So they're just sort of short videos. Question 19. In Greek mythology, who has snakes on their head instead of hair? It's Medusa. And question 20. Which London park is home to London Zoo? It's Regent's Park. The park is massive, by the way. My days, it's huge. But yeah, worth a visit. Some fantastic gardens there. That's it, guys. That's your 20 questions. So like I say, subscribe and like this, please. And come back later in the week and you'll see the video from the radio quiz. Sounds really odd and a bit like a Queen song. Anyway. Thanks very much, guys. I'll be back next week as normal with this Parrot Puzzler, but tune into the radio next Sunday morning to listen to that Parrot Puzzler too. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.